Welcome, golf cart parents with teen drivers. It's Dave from Golf Cart Garage, here to help you discover why we're the best friend your golf cart ever had. We know lots of golf cart owners share their vehicle with young drivers in their household for all kinds of destinations and uses without ever taking a swing with a golf club. And those who've golfed with me would tell you I should probably just hand the cart over to my kid if I want to see better driving and golfing. Whether it's learning to drive, heading out with their friends, or chauffeuring you around, we want to help you get the most out of your teen driver's next trip out without worrying about a dead battery leaving them stranded. Or maybe some new equipment would help make it a safer ride for the kids. So our Parents with Teen Drivers playlist will have videos to cover what's important to you, like charging and battery maintenance, or outfitting the cart with everything you might need, lights and safety belts, along with parts and accessories to make today's trip or driving lesson more customized and enjoyable. And safe. If you've seen some of the videos I have, you know we can't trust some adults to drive our carts. Our website also includes a special resource section to make it easier for you to maintain and upgrade the vehicle that does everything from family transport or letting the kids go out alone to simply giving us a fun project to work on or show off. The link to that page is in the video description so you can see for yourself. Here you'll find easy access to the items parents with teen drivers ask us for the most, along with answers to FAQs and more, all tailored to help drivers like you understand, upgrade, and enjoy your cart. And it's not just our playlist and our website that's dedicated to helping parents with teen drivers. Our customer care specialists also know what it's like to look at your cart as a way to let the kids have fun and get them home safely. And we'd love to assist via email, chat, or phone. We're already your cart's best friend. We should hang out sometime. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.